man. Can't park there. Move. Little late now.
Can you show a UTL?
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing? Blocking all this traffic up.
What?
Move, dude. You're in a crosswalk even.
This is not... What?
This isn't a crosswalk? Come on, dude. Move. What are you doing? What are you even doing?
Inside the business to go check on the business.
Really? There wasn't a call.
How do you know?
Because I have a scanner. Really? You're going to park right there, though? Really? Look at the cluster you're creating. Look what you're doing. And the two others that went around me.
They went around.
Dude, go. This is great. I can't wait to see this.
Have a great day, man.
I guess I'm legally parked too then.
Have a great day.
You too.
Is there a reason why you're following me?
Yeah, I want to see if you're on a call.
Dude, I'm not here to entertain you.
But no, you're here to park like that. Look at this. In a crosswalk and on a disabled person's ramp, on a wheelchair ramp.
Customer service needed in the battery department.
You're on a call.
Yeah, it's called a 1059, sir.
I'm not talking to you.
It's called a security check.
Okay, go ahead.
You want to follow me?
Go
it's
ahead.
called a security check.
Okay, cool.
We have a lot of
346
we have a lot of
G
crime
Simpson.
here, a lot of theft here. I'm here to do a security check.
So you're on a call?
Do you know what that is?
Like you said?
Oh my god, dude.
Okay.
If you're gonna continue to follow me, man, then that's fine.
Okay.
And you can do that, but just keep your distance from me.
No, I'll go walk wherever I want.
If you get too close to me, it's gonna be.
Well, just don't park like that. Don't block everybody, you know. There's parking spaces out there you could use. But you gotta park on the
How
sidewalk
are you tonight?
for no reason. You're not even on a call. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, you too. Because that's what he does, ma'am. That's what he does.
What he does? And solicit a trespass while you're in here? Might as well. All good. Looks good to hear, huh?
You just like to try to get a rise out of this. I get it.
No, I just don't like you parking the way you parked. Remember that? How it all started? How you couldn't pull in a parking space like everybody else? How you stopped your car on a wheelchair ramp
Okay.
and blocked it? So if anybody with a wheelchair can't get in here, that's what I mean. Don't park there. Park in a parking space. You had no business even coming in here. You tried to come in here and make it look like you're on a call, but you're not. You're just a jackass who likes to park like a fucking idiot. Be on your way. What is it, Simpson, right? Really? Yeah, and I got you running stop signs and speeding all the way back.
Ma'am, I appreciate
Yeah,
the support.
thank you, bootlicker. Look at him. Look at him. Buckle up. Wear your seatbelt. You're not above the law. You're not.